Come on.
Max is perfectly adapted to this weather. He comes from the Amur area at the top of Russia. He's built for the snow. He has a very thick layer of fur with an undercoat as well to keep him nice and warm. This is a luxury for him to have snow of this type here now in Dublin Zoo, and he's very well adapted to it.
You can see that he's quite happy picking away at the hay now, and his house is very, very heated and warm, so he can go in and out as he likes, so he doesn't have to stay in snow. It's something different for him to see. We've got 7 calves at Dublin Zoo, and we even let them out for a small bit with access to our heated house, and even the babies and all the calves, they were playing in the snow because it's something they've never seen before and it's something different.